Okay guys, today we are going to do some courses. The book on Chessable, Improve Your Chess Tactics. I'm not sure if this is allowed. I saw someone that did woodpecker method and I thought that I can post this on YouTube too. So let's start. This book is gonna improve your tactics. I haven't done much of it, so let's go from the beginning. Okay. I guess we can skip this text and we should go straight to the this is text and this is text. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, of course, try to solve it. I know this tactics because I solved few chapters of this book. I think it is this check. No, this check. And then this check, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay. That was that. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, this is check. Okay, that's it. This is a really famous one and really beautiful. Okay, that was that. So I have this. I guess this sign that shows me where. Okay, let me just repeat real quick. So I'm sure that. Okay, now this one. This one is also really interesting. Check. Then is it this check? It goes here. Then what? I give this check. One second. Check and it goes where? You can go here. Here and then this check. Yes, he goes here and I give this check with a pawn. He goes here and I give checkmate. Yeah. Okay. And this one I think sacrifice, right? And if he goes, if he takes with the queen, I think I just put the bishop. Yeah, I give a checkmate like this. And if he takes with this piece, I give a check. He goes here. And what? Then what? Wait a second. So check takes, and then maybe I put the bishop here. Let me think. I know that this is the first move, I remember this, but then I cannot remember the next move. Check, he goes here. And yeah, I sacrificed the bishop here, yes, I remember now. This is checkmate. And it is interesting, if he doesn't take the bishop, he goes here, let's say I have this check and this check. And I take the queen, and if he goes, and I can go also to g8 or so he has to take the bishop. Okay, that was nice one. Okay, that's reading. Let's see this one. And this one is sacrifice here, check, and then go here with the king to give checkmate. That was a nice one also. Check here, right? And then this. I cannot remove this arrow. This is interesting. Okay. Check, and this is interesting. This is important to give this check. If instead I go straight here, it's gonna block with the f pawn. So I give a check, and then I threaten the rook. Take the rook and threaten checkmate. So this is kind of interesting thing to remember. Maybe it can be useful for you. Okay, here takes, check, then this one I remember. This is kind of an unusual combination here. And this is this quiet move then. Or here, I think it doesn't make much difference, does it? If I go here, what's the difference? Not sure. I wonder if there is a difference between those two moves. Let me see the analysis. Yeah, there is no difference. Okay, how do I go back now? I guess just go back like this. Okay, now this one. This one is also interesting. Just remove defenders. This defender. This is this one is defending, I think, this critical square, and then this is defending some critical squares, and then yeah, So this first, we ensure the rook has access to g3 square, because when we take, if he takes here, we give a checkmate here. So this is important to remove this knight, and by removing this knight, then knight cannot protect this f6 square. If we come with the queen here, then if he has knight here, he's gonna defend this point by knight f6. Okay. Okay, let's finish this tree, and in the next video we can do some more. Okay, this is this one. Yeah, the point is if he takes, take the rook, and if he takes here, we take the rook, take this, and that's disastrous. This one I've done many times. And here, many of you, and me included, would take the rook. But he can take this, and then it's less clear. Instead, we play this move. So we are still attacking the rook, but we are trying to see where the king is gonna go. For example, if he goes to e6, we take the piece, and we have, this is better material advantage than the previous one, and also his king is in a silly position, maybe he's gonna get checkmated. And if he goes here, we give a check, and then take the rook, and then this is over. And the last one from this chapter, this is a really nice one. Takes, and here queen. But if you haven't seen this move, you should have calculated, because you should have calculated this move. So basically this first chapter is just showing you some different tactics, not categorized. And in the next video we're gonna do, this is just introduction, we're gonna go do deflection. I've done this whole chapter, and decoying, I'm doing this decoying chapter, and then we're gonna finish the whole course letter by letter. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this beautiful tactics. See you in the next one.